Are you looking to elevate your home cooking game? Whether you're hosting a big dinner or meal prepping for the week, slow cookers are a game changer. But with so many options on the market, how do you choose the best one? Stick around as we break down the best slow cookers for 2025, ranked from weakest to the absolute best. Let's kick things off with the Hamilton Beach 4-quart slow cooker, a no-frills option that's ideal for basic cooking needs. This compact cooker is perfect for couples or small families, offering a manageable 4-quart capacity. The controls are as simple as it gets. Just turn the dial to low, high, or warm and you're good to go. Plus, the removable stoneware crock can double as an oven or microwave dish, giving you some extra versatility. But here's the catch, it's entirely manual. There's no programmable timer, which means you'll need to keep an eye on the clock or risk overcooking your meal. Additionally, it lacks a locking lid, so if you're transporting food, things might get messy. While it's affordable and compact, the lack of modern features puts it at the bottom of our list. Next up, we have the Hamilton Beach 10-quart slow cooker, built for large meals and big families. This giant of a cooker can handle up to a 10-pound turkey or a 12-pound roast, perfect for holiday gatherings or potlucks. Its clip-tight sealed lid prevents spills, making it ideal for on-the-go dishes. Cleanup is a breeze too, with a removable dishwasher-safe crock and lid. However, its size can be a double-edged sword. It takes up significant counter space and, like its smaller counterpart, lacks programmable features. This means you'll need to monitor your cooking closely. While it's fantastic for feeding a crowd, its lack of flexibility and features keeps it from climbing higher on our list. The Bella 6-quart programmable slow cooker is where things start to get interesting. With programmable presets ranging from 4 to 10 hours, this model brings convenience to your kitchen. The ever-good non-stick ceramic coating is a standout feature, offering a healthier alternative to traditional coatings by being free of PFAS, PFOA, and other harmful chemicals. Cleanup is also a breeze, thanks to its dishwasher-safe parts. While it offers solid value for its price, the preset times are limited, and there's no option for manual adjustments. Advanced features like searing or sautéing are notably absent, so if you're looking for versatility, this might not be the one. Still, it's a reliable mid-tier option that will meet the needs of most households. Similar to its sibling, the Bella 35 1-to-1 model offers the same 6-quart capacity and programmable functionality. However, it adds a medium heat setting, giving you slightly more control over your cooking. The Evergood ceramic coating ensures healthy, chemical-free cooking, and its dishwasher-safe design makes cleanup effortless. Despite its improvements, it still suffers from the same limitations as the 35 173. The presets lack flexibility, and it doesn't include advanced features like browning or steaming. It's an incremental upgrade, but still falls short of the top-tier slow cookers on our list. The Kenmore 7-quart programmable slow cooker brings some extra flair to the mix with its bonus dipper sauce warmer, perfect for sauces or dips hot during mealtime. Its 7-quart capacity is ideal for family-sized meals, and the programmable timer allows for precise cooking, with options ranging from 30 minutes to 10 hours. The delay start feature is a game changer for those who want their meal ready exactly when they need it. While it's a versatile option, it doesn't quite have the advanced cooking functions of our higher-ranked models. Its size may also be cumbersome for smaller kitchens. Still, the added features and flexibility make it a strong contender for anyone seeking a programmable slow cooker with a little extra functionality. Breaking into the top 2 is the Hamilton Beach 9-in-1 multi-cooker. This is not just a slow cooker, it's a kitchen powerhouse. With 9 cooking models including searing, browning, steaming, and even making rice, this multi-cooker can handle just about anything. The delay start feature lets you plan your meals with precision, while the PFAS-free ceramic pot ensures safe and easy cleanup. Its versatility is unmatched, but all those features come with a price, literally and figuratively. It's larger and consumes more energy than a standard slow cooker. Still, if you're looking for a do-it-all appliance, the 9-in-1 is a worthy investment. Finally, at the top of our list is the Crock-Pot MultiMeal. This innovative slow cooker redefines multitasking with its 3.7-quart pots and advanced functionality. You can cook 2 separate dishes simultaneously thanks to its dual-sync technology, which ensures everything is ready at the same time. The versatility is unmatched, with functions like searing, sautéing, baking, and even steaming. Its non-stick ceramic-coated pots make cleanup quick and easy, and they're even oven-safe up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. While it's on the pricier side, the MultiMeal is worth every penny for its convenience, efficiency, and advanced features. If you want the ultimate slow cooking experience, this is the one to beat. And there you have it, the top 7 slow cookers for 2025, ranked and reviewed. Whether you're looking for a simple, budget-friendly option or a high-tech powerhouse, there's a slow cooker on this list for everyone. If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more kitchen gadget reviews. See you next time!